I have lots of shelving. I bought these library cantilever shelves a long time ago, and I got quite a few of them. I also bought pallet racking. Over the oil tank, I customized the size. I made the beam shorter so that I could fit it. So I got that storage above there, above my dog sink. Well, recently I decided to put some storage above this door. Okay, and to add library shelves over here. Well, then I'm in the process of putting a catio out there. You can kind of see the wire. And I built a tunnel that went through there. And so I decided to hang some of those library shelves over there. I also decided to take and customize the pallet racking. I made it narrower. So instead of 34 inches, I cut it down to whatever it is, 20 and a half or whatever. I made it shorter. And then I incorporated one of those library shelves on top of that, welded it so that it's sturdy. So this way you can reach stuff off the stairs without having to go all over the place. You can just come up here on the stairs and reach everything. Well, I've also got projects going on that we won't talk about. They're over there outside. But this is a workbench, okay? And I decided that I would use these trailer jacks, and I cut off the handle, and I welded a nut on so I can just use an impact driver to raise it and lower it, okay? And I'm also building something out there on the patio that's going to store all the patio furniture over the winter out of the same pallet racking. And what I'm going to do is use the same jacks because I welded nuts to the beams, okay? And then I drilled holes in the beams so the bolts can go into the beams, and the nut is welded. So basically I'll be able to just take these same stands, these same jacks, and put them outside if I want to move something outside. So I decided to build this workbench. And this is the height of the top right here. I put one shelf in the middle, okay? And I got a shelf up there, but then again, I'm incorporating these library shelves so that the back will have something to be on, something to put stuff on. And then I've had this vise for 10 years or more and never had it mounted. And I don't want it permanent. I want to be able to move it. So if it's in the way, this whole thing can be jacked up and moved anywhere. And even with the jack on there, or with the vise on there, if I jack it up, this comes up. But this has got an adjustable foot at the bottom, okay? And I cut apart some beams and I welded the catches so it clips in, comes out over here, okay? And I welded the vise on, or not welded the vise is bolted, but made this whole apparatus so you can just like lift it up and take it off and put it on a different leg, or you could put it on a different pallet rack if you want. So basically, that's the scoop with that. I think the plan, I've got a wire wheel and a grinding wheel that I never use. I think I'm going to get something, a base, and I'm going to lock the base in the vise, and I'll just use the grinding wheel on top of the vise, and I won't need another attachment for that. But anyway, this is the progress that I've been making over here with all this stuff here. Oh yeah, check this out. We got these tables that we use. They're all stored. So we got one big table, another big table. This is a folding big table, another folding big table, but basically, you know, you just pull them out. That's it. Still have to finish organizing. Basically, the plan is this stuff that's going to be outside that I'm still working on, along with this workbench here. This is going to get, I don't have the top done and all that because I'm going to take off these library shelves here. They're gonna come off. I'm gonna wheel this thing outside. I'm gonna hit it with a pressure washer. Gonna get rid of, with a zero-turn nozzle, 0-degree nozzle, I'm gonna get all this tape and all that stuff off, and I'm gonna scuff it up. I'm gonna get all this stuff pressure washed with a rotating nozzle, and I'm gonna take the jacks off, and then I'm gonna paint it with primer and paint it white. So everything's gonna get painted white here. Not obviously all these other shelves that are already up, but that workbench is gonna be white. And everything I'm building outside for the patio and the catio and all that stuff is gonna be white.